will learn approximation. The villagers in Champapur are cutting down many trees to build buildings. Due to this, the heat is increasing day by day in the village. Seeing this, Tufan decided that he would record the number of trees that have been cut every month for 6 months, so that after 6 months, showing this information to the villagers could prevent them from cutting more trees. Tufan immediately took a piece of paper and drew a vertical line on it, depicting the number of trees cut down every month from the beginning. On this, he wrote numbers at a gap of half a centimeter from 0 to 400 in increments of 50. He drew a horizontal line from each number. Then, in between every two numbers, he drew 4 small lines at equal distance. Now, at the horizontal line drawn at 0, he drew vertical lines at equal distance numbered 1 to 6 because he was going to count the number of trees that had been cut every month for 6 months. And finally, he drew 3 vertical lines at equal distance between the numbered vertical lines. A month passed and trees were still getting cut in the village. By the end of the month, he added the total number of trees cut down.
Oh God! A total number of 40 trees were cut this month. Let me show this by making a dot like this on this paper.
At the end of each month, Tufan counted the number of trees cut and recorded this on the paper. 6 months have passed.
This is a very serious problem. So many trees are cut every month. But in what month have the most trees been cut down?
Children, by looking at this chart, can you tell in which month the most trees have been cut? There is maximum difference between the dots of the second and third months. So, the maximum trees were cut in the third month.
How do I estimate the total number of trees cut down by the end of the third week of the 5th month? I will connect these points of the 4th and 5th months in a straight line. In this way, where the vertical line of the third week of the 5th month is meeting with this line, from that point I can approximate that in the 5th month how many trees will be cut in total by the end of the third week. Oh God, this point is at 270. By the end of the third week of the 5th month, a total of 270 trees were cut. I will quickly go and show this chart to the villagers.
Tufan gathered all the villagers and showed them the chart. All the villagers understood what Tufan said and together decided not to cut any more trees. Children, in this video we learnt about approximation. In the next video, we will learn some more about it by some interesting examples. Hello children! In the last video, we learnt about approximation. In this video, we will learn more about it by some interesting examples. Nowadays, all the children in Champapur are seen using the phone throughout the day. To rectify this problem, Badbole Batak uncle has made a unique idea. He told the children that he would record the average time spent on the phone by the children every 4 days. After 24 days, if there is any reduction in the time spent on the phone by the children, then they will take all the children on a trip. Uncle has made a chart for this. Uncle has shown the number of hours on the vertical line of the chart and the number of days on the horizontal line. Currently, children spend an average of 5 hours and 20 minutes on the phone every day. This is shown by the uncle making a point on the vertical line in this way. Now, uncle started recording the average time spent on the phone every 4th day on the chart in this way. Uncle recorded the time spent on the phone by the children for 24 days.
24 days are over. Let me look at this chart to find out between which days the time spent on the phone by children has been cut the most.
Children, can you find the answer to this question by looking at this chart? If you want, you can find a solution by stopping the video. The distance between the heights of the dots of 20 and 24th days is the highest. Hence, the most time spent on the phone by children between the 20 and 24th days, there is a cut of 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Approximately how much time did the children spend on the 10th day on the phone?
Can you find an answer to this question, children? In this way, we can find a solution by connecting the dots of the 8th and 12th days in a straight line. The vertical line on the 10th day is meeting this horizontal line at this dot, indicating about 3 hours and 40 minutes. So, the children must have spent about 3 hours and 40 minutes on the 10th day on the phone.
How much time did the children spend on the phone between the 5th day and the 8th day?
To find the answer to this uncle's question, first we have to approximate the time spent on the phone by the children on the 5th day. In this way, we can approximate it by connecting the dots of the 4th and 8th days with a straight line and then making a vertical line from the 5th day. The vertical line of the 5th day is meeting this line at 4 hours and 50 minutes. This means that on the 5th day, the children must have spent about 4 hours and 50 minutes on the phone. Now, to find the solution of uncle's question, we only have to subtract the number of time spent on the 8th day from the time spent on the 5th day. In this way, the time spent on the phone by children between the 5th day and the 8th day has been reduced by 30 minutes. Uncle is very happy that the children have now spent much less time on the phone and have started spending more time in other sports and studies. As promised to the children, Uncle took the children on a trip, seeing that the time spent on the phone has reduced. Children, in this video, we learned more about approximation by some interesting examples.